Imagine hitting the open road with the freedom of a camper, the efficiency of a tricycle, and the ultimate compact RV experience all rolled into one. Meet the Camper Tricycle RV, a game-changer for those who crave adventure but want a more sustainable, nimble, and efficient way to travel. Whether you're exploring scenic landscapes, urban streets, or off-grid destinations, this little home on wheels is redefining how we experience travel. This tiny yet functional vehicle offers the best of both worlds, motorcycle agility and RV comfort. Designed for minimalists, solo travelers, or even couples seeking an unconventional way to camp, the Camper Tricycle RV combines smart engineering with innovative design. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and surprisingly spacious inside. Unlike traditional RVs that require large parking spots and high fuel consumption, this Tricycle RV allows you to park just about anywhere while keeping your travel costs low. Step inside, and you'll be amazed at how well the interior is designed. The compact yet efficient layout includes a sleeping area, a small kitchenette, and even basic storage for your gear. Some models come equipped with solar panels to keep you powered off-grid, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious travelers. The sleeping area can often accommodate a single traveler comfortably, with foldable bedding that maximizes space when not in use. A small but functional kitchenette provides the essentials: a portable stove, a mini fridge, and a sink, allowing you to cook meals on the go. Storage compartments are strategically placed to ensure every inch of space is optimized. One of the biggest advantages of a Tricycle RV is its ease of use. Unlike traditional RVs that require specialized training and licenses, a Tricycle RV is user-friendly and can be driven with just a standard motorcycle license in many places. Its three-wheel design provides stability, even on rough terrain, making it a great choice for adventurers who love exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations. Whether you're navigating city traffic, winding mountain roads, or coastal highways, this vehicle makes travel seamless and enjoyable. Sustainability is a major focus for many modern travelers, and the Camper Tricycle RV delivers in this area. Many models come with electric or hybrid power options, reducing the carbon footprint compared to traditional gas-powered RVs. Some even feature regenerative braking, which helps conserve energy while you ride. With the addition of solar panels, you can harness renewable energy to power lights, charge devices, and run small appliances without relying on traditional fuel sources. This means longer trips, fewer stops for fuel, and a more environmentally friendly way to explore the world. Cost is another reason why the Camper Tricycle RV is gaining popularity. Compared to full-sized motorhomes, which can be expensive to purchase and maintain, a Tricycle RV is a budget-friendly alternative. You save on fuel, insurance, maintenance, and even campground fees since you can park in smaller, more versatile spots. Whether you're a weekend camper or planning a long-term road trip, the financial benefits of this compact RV are undeniable. The customization options for these Tricycle RVs are impressive. Travelers can add extra storage, upgrade to a more comfortable sleeping arrangement, or even install additional solar panels for extended off-grid living. Some adventurous owners take it a step further, adding awnings, fold-out tables, and even mini pop-up shower systems to enhance comfort on the road. The appeal of the Camper Tricycle RV goes beyond just convenience and affordability. It's about embracing a new way of life. It caters to those who value simplicity, adventure, and the thrill of the open road. Whether you're a digital nomad looking for a mobile workstation, a retiree seeking a fun and economical travel option, or a young traveler wanting to explore on a budget, this vehicle offers a unique experience like no other. Another factor that makes this camper special is its ability to access places that larger RVs simply can't. Imagine weaving through narrow mountain passes, parking right next to a hidden beach, or effortlessly cruising through small European villages, experiences that would be difficult in a bulky motorhome. The lightweight frame also means you don't need to worry as much about weight restrictions on bridges or fuel-hungry long hauls. Despite its compact size, safety is still a priority. Many models come with reinforced frames, weather-resistant exteriors, and advanced braking systems to ensure a smooth and secure ride. Some even have GPS tracking, rear-view cameras, and anti-theft features to provide peace of mind during your travels. For those who love social interactions, the camper tricycle RV is a conversation starter everywhere it goes. Whether you're parked at a scenic overlook or stopping for a coffee in a bustling city, people are naturally drawn to this unique vehicle. Fellow travelers and curious passers-by often stop to ask questions, share travel stories, and even take pictures, making it a great way to connect with like-minded adventurers. If you've been dreaming of a more flexible and affordable way to travel, this compact camper could be the answer. It's small but mighty, offering a blend of practicality, sustainability, and adventure. The road is calling. Are you ready to answer with the ultimate camper tricycle RV experience?